The governor in this closing ceremony. You are welcome.
Thank you, thank you very much. I have had that I need to take very few minutes, but the general, as a known good teacher I was, I promise to be very, very brief. But before I start, allow me to kindly pass the warm greetings from our Governor, His Excellency Paul Simbarati, who is out on official duties that are very significant to the nation. And for that reason, he was not able to be with us. But trust me, he's well briefed on all the proceedings that have been in this committee. Allow me then to read his speech, and I'm sure I will not tire you because he really recognizes and appreciates the good work you've done. This is a speech, and allow me to read it. KSSSA team led by the national chairman, Kipchumba Mayo, officials of the Ministry of Education led by the Director General, Mr. Abdi, KUT, Kesha, and other stakeholders, county officials present, the technical committee for this event, various teams, and officials and teachers, and all participants, and all our dear students, boys and girls. Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to officiate the closing ceremony for this year's Kenya Secondary School Sports Association National Championships, which have been held here in Kisii County. Remarkably, for the last 5 days, we have witnessed a true display of talent among our budding sports persons who are in secondary schools. I take this opportunity to thank the participants and teams for their hard work, dedication, and commitment in perfecting their talent to the extent we have seen in our county. I wish those who proceed in East African competitions the best of luck and success in lifting the Kenyan flag high. Once again, I thank the KSSSA leadership and the Ministry of Education for considering Kisii as the host of this important event, and I commit that the county government of Kisii is always willing to partner with you. It is important to note that this event has progressed well since last Sunday, despite one ugly incident witnessed here at the Kisii Stadium 2 days ago. This will not be allowed to recur again. However, while condemning the hooliganism and vandalism which took place in one of the matches, I wish to state that in the competition, there is always a winner and a loser in that spirit. And that's why we say, asiyekubali kushindwa si mshindani. Let me therefore advise our youth against violent reactions and hooliganism in sports, which is otherwise a leisure and friendly activity. Ball games, ladies and gentlemen, unite continents, unite states, and unite communities. Equally, it is a coincidence that today's ceremony falls on the counted 99 demonstrations. Whereas it's a constitutional right to picket and demonstrate, I urge that the same is done in a peaceful manner, devoid of disruptions and loss of lives. And since some of the schools' delegations will be traveling back to their homes in various parts of the country, I pray that peace prevail so that they enjoy their safe travel back to their various destinations. Finally, I take this opportunity to remind the students to continue working hard in sports and classwork too, and avoid indulging in activities that do not foster their education. I appeal to the parents, teachers, and guardians to hold the hands of the young ones and encourage them to engage in sports as a means to employment in future. With those few remarks, the chief guest, I wish you journey masses home and look forward to host you again. Those were the remarks of His Excellency, and in 2 minutes, chief guest, I now need to appreciate, first of all, His Excellency, who worked tirelessly and with a lot of effort to have this day a success. Minister of Education, led by DG, thank you very much. KSSSA officials, thank you for a job well done. Distinguished teachers and teacher leadership, we truly appreciate you. Having been one of you, I salute you one more time. The Advance Party from Kesha, led by Kipchumba Mara Mayo among others, thank you for the gesture. You pushed us hard, but we got the job. My county team, please be outstanding for the competition, led by the CC Sports, CC Administration, CC Health. Asante Sana for the support. The top security team, led by our top cop, Kisii, thank you for keeping the security tight. Honorable members, thanks for the encouragement, and if any is around, kindly be outstanding if you haven't left. Looks like you have left, but at the background, you gave us a lot of support. Our beloved students from across Kenya, we were once like you, as small lads, just like you. Today we are this grown up. We wish you maisha mazuri tena marefu as you also grow up, but grow up in discipline and believe in yourselves. Our dedicated fans, we salute you, except for that day we saw a little bit of skirmishes around. And for all those I may not have mentioned, kindly appreciate from the desk of the governor that we are happy for your support. Therefore, the state, thank you for the wonderful coverage from the Maticha Stadium to now a very distinguished stadium that is before us. One of its own kind. We promise you one more time. When you come next time, it will be a one-stop stadium. As you go to the East African Games in Mali, I allow me to promise to probably join you in my project capacity to see how you will be doing at Zimbabwe. Before I wind up, Chief Guest, His Excellency has sent a gesture of goodwill to all of you and to the students. He has asked us to give all students present 3,800 cans of sugar. There are no clouds for me and for governor. So already 1,800 cans of sugar is at Kisii High School ready for distribution to the students, and 2,000 at the National School ready for distribution. Additionally, His Excellency has given 100 pieces of well taken care of pineapples of grade 1 to be given as appropriate. Further, His Excellency has given 250 bunches of bananas, the pride of Kisii, that you take home and enjoy a good meal. For men, I encourage you. With those very many remarks, I now need to stop there and invite our chief guest, the Director General, Mr. Api Karim.
Thank you very much, our Deputy Governor for Kisii County, all officials from the county government of Kisii, our representatives from the trade unions, NAT and Quebec, the officials who are here, Chairman Kenya Secondary School Sports Association, Obebo, and other officials